All right guys, so we're working on this main harness. This is going to be the main section of the harness. It's going to do most of everything that's in the dash, but it's also got to attach up to the headlight harness and at the junction block. So you've got 3 wires that are going to get plugged onto this 3-post junction block, which we've mounted onto our fender on the driver's side. You've got a red, a black, and a yellow, and you're just going to match the colors there with the ones coming from the headlights. So those are in place, and as you can see, we've got these 2 wires that are off to the side. Those are for your turn signals. We haven't put those in quite yet, so we are just going to leave those kind of hanging out right there. And then when we do our turn signal video, we'll then tie those in. Now what we've got, the next wire, or next grouping of wires rather, is for the horn. So let's talk about this horn for a second. This is a 12-volt horn. It's going to mount on the inner fender well, so not on the firewall. We're going to mount this on the fender. Okay, so we've got 2 wires coming off of the harness. It's in line with the main harness. So the black wire is going to be your power, and the blue wire is going to act as your ground. The blue wire is actually going to connect on the other end to the wire coming down your steering column or out the brush side for activating your horn via the horn button on the steering wheel. So once we put power to this, then it'll make a meep meep sound, which is your general horn that we sell here at Kaiser Willys. Again, this is a 12-volt horn, but this kind of shows you how to hook up the horn with those 2 wires coming off the main harness. So we'll move along to the next part. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.